Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start now. Press Ctrl+C in the terminal to send SIGINT. Python raises keyboard interrupt and your program should stop. If you run code inside an IDE, click the red stop button to terminate the process immediately. Once done, make sure to have a try/accept keyboard interrupt around long loops so you handle cleanup. That way, sockets and files close cleanly. If Ctrl+C doesn't work, proceed to the next slide to escalate safely. You now escalate. Identify the process ID with PS Task Manager or by printing OS getBid inside your script. Once you have the PID, send SIGTERM so the program can handle shutdown and close resources. For example, kill PID or OS, kill PID signal. SIGTERM, make sure to wait a few seconds. Some processes need time to flush data. If the process remains hung, send SIGKILL kill -9 to force termination. You finish by verifying the process is gone. Rerun PS or Task Manager and check ports with LSOFI or Netstat to ensure nothing still listens. If residues remain, stop background services or restart your terminal. Reboot only if necessary. Make sure to inspect logs for why the process hung. If nothing else works, use kill -9 as a last resort. But remember, this can cause data loss, so back up files and prefer graceful shutdowns whenever possible.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.